Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this series of videos we are working on several labs for AZ900 exam, which is Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. As a matter of fact, we have already completed 17 videos for all these 17 labs. In this particular lab video we're going to explore the Trust Center. So let's get to it. And all these labs are available from on the GitHub, and I'll give you the link so you can get the more details when you get a chance. So it's pretty simple actually. We're going to explore the Trust Center. We're going to access the Trust Center, the Service Trust Portal, and the Compliance Manager. Trust Center, you can go and there's a particular link, you can just open it up. Just notice the offerings are grouped into global, US government, industry, and regional. So this is Microsoft offers a comprehensive set of compliance offerings to help your organization comply with the national, regional, and industry-specific requirement governing the collection and use of data. So this is very important. So under global, there are several different benchmarks that you can use to secure your environment. ISO 27001 is one of the very popular framework that people use. So let's click on that one. So what it is, it's the Information Security Management Standard, and it's just an example of standard that you can use to secure your environment. You can read up more information about how Microsoft is compliant on this, and you can read whether when it was last compliance check was performed, and Microsoft achievement of 27 certification points up. It's a commitment to making good on customer promises. So they're saying they are audited and they have the certification that ISO demands. Okay, and they're also in scope cloud services that are audited for ISO 27001. Here is a big list. Okay, and if you need the audit report, also cloud service audited at least annually. Okay, you can look at the certificate and feel comfortable. Lots of information why the Microsoft compliance with ISO. Now, compliance with the standards confirmed by an accredited auditor demonstrates that Microsoft uses internationally recognized processes and best practices to manage the infrastructure and organization that support and deliver its services. So lots of information if you need to know. So you're going to give, when you're using cloud, you're going to give the responsibility of managing the platform pretty much for the most part to Microsoft. So as per your compliance requirement, you have to make sure that your cloud provider also, they're following the best security standards, and Microsoft invests lots of money for security. So you should be, and probably way more than an individual company can. So you should be very comfortable learning that most Microsoft services, all Microsoft services are going to be very, very secure, and they will follow the best of the best security standards. So let's go back to the lab. So we have kind of looked at that. The other place you can go is the Service Trust portal, and you can open it up in another browser, and it's just a servicetrust.microsoft.com. And again, cloud, you are going to give a whole bunch of responsibility to your cloud provider. So you have to have, plus all of your sensitive data, all of that is you will be using and you will be storing in a data center that's owned by Microsoft. So there gotta be a very high level of trust, and you have to trust Microsoft that they're not gonna misuse the data, and your data is going to be secure. And that's what this is all about. So Microsoft, probably they said almost 90% of Fortune 500 companies, they have some kind of presence within Azure. So we can tell that they have gained the trust, and you can feel good about deploying and using Azure Cloud Partner. And let's see what else do we have. In the audit section, uh, in this section are independent audit reports of different Microsoft Cloud services. Okay. At this time of writing, ISO 27 related content is accessible via clickable label. So let's see over here. So if you click on this one, it should give you the actual audit report. So if somebody asks you, hey, I need the audit report for Microsoft, so you can go there and look at that. So all the audit reports for Dynamics 365, here, the different products, they're all available over here, and you can directly go there and download the audit report. Let's see if we can download anything else. Looks like SOC. If I go to SOC, let's see if we have anything available for us. It says loading document. Let's give it a minute. Yeah, we have the SOC report available as well. So so that's wonderful. So you don't have to, you're doing your research, you don't have to go and ask Microsoft. They are already giving you the audit reports and say, hey, look at that. If you want to build trust, this is how open we are. We have audited, and these are the audit reports. Take a look at it. And the last is the compliance manager. The compliance manager makes it easy to perform risk assessment of Microsoft Cloud services. Use compliance manager to manage your organization's compliance activities from implementation to reporting. But for the compliance manager, you gotta go to the Azure. So let's go there. If you have time, review the other information that interests you. So let's see, compliance manager over here. It took me really to the data protection resources page, that link, and you have lots of resources in here. The compliance guides, how you should be enabling compliance in Microsoft Cloud. So you have lots of guides as your AD data security consideration. If you have financial institution, there's a specific one for institutions in Spain, Germany, Greece, man. So lots, wealth of resources that you have over here. SOX guideline, if your company is comes under SOX guideline, how to implement the SOX guidelines within Azure. So that's pretty much all about that lab. So Microsoft really wants you to know that they have wealth of information from the trust center. They have the service trust portal where you can download the actual reports, and they have also got a lot of compliance guidance documents that you can use to properly and securely develop your cloud infrastructure. Well, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you're preparing for the exam, good luck. If you like it, please subscribe, leave your comment. Thank you.